It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. I have no objection. I have no objection. I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet. I don't know his name. I don't know his name. Are there any questions? Are there any questions? My friend offered me a gift. My friend offered me a gift. I am sure you can do it. I am sure you can do it. What time will the guests arrive? What time will the guests arrive? I will call the police. I will call the police. I want to rent a car. I want to rent a car. Who broke your glasses? Who broke your glasses? What did she tell you? What did she tell you? I feel much better now. I feel much better now. I think he is betraying me. I think he is betraying me. How much is a ticket to Canada? How much is a ticket to Canada?
I just came from France.
I just came from France. How old is your grandfather? How old is your grandfather? She got married last week. She got married last week. What is inside your pocket? What is inside your pocket? I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time. How did you know her? How did you know her? What a coincidence. What a coincidence. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. I have slept well. I have slept well. You shouldn't sell the bear's skin before killing it. You shouldn't sell the bear's skin before killing it. Never send a sheep to kill the wolf. Never send a sheep to kill the wolf. Please take your seats. Please take your seats. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? What is the date of your birth? What is the date of your birth? It's up to you. It's up to you. Do you have appointment? Do you have appointment? I was late because of the rain. I was late because of the rain. You look great today. You look great today. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support.